Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab K11, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So, to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and somewhere in here you will find a screen recording toggle. Now for me it's visible right here, but if you don't see it, you can number one, swipe down, and this will extend the list of visible toggles into a scrollable list. And number two, can actually add additional toggles, meaning that sometimes things like screen recorder might not be added by default. So you would click right here on this weird kind of icon. And then by scrolling down, right here, right under this phrase right here, every toggle is turned off. So these are the ones that don't show up in that list. So what you would do is just hold it without actually moving the... There we go. And you can see the text right here changes to drag here to remove. So we're going to drag it above the text, drop it. And now you can just simply go back. And you can see it's now added here. Anyway, once you see the screen recorder right here, you can either tap on it. And this brings up this little menu. You can also hold it and it will allow you to navigate into the settings. Or you can just click on the settings gear right here, which I do recommend at least doing once because for some reason, I don't know why, manufacturers decided to become a bit more retarded than usual. And all the devices nowadays come with medium resolution enabled. Medium meaning 720p. What the shit, are we like in 2015? No, we're gonna change it to high, because it's, as far as I checked, it's not 2015. Next option in here is the sound source, which we have a couple options. We have no sound, equipment sound, meaning that sound that the device makes, microphone, or both. Now when using both, I would recommend using headphones, earbuds, anything like that, because when the sound is coming out from the device itself, from the speakers, microphone will be picking it up for the second time. So basically it's recording the equipment sound internally, so you could have it completely muted and still would record. But if you hear it, then the microphone will hear it too, meaning you're gonna have the same sound recorded twice. And like I mentioned, this might create like an unwanted echo effect. You probably already experienced it sometimes. So yeah, use headphones. Last thing, display touch position. This is going to record a semi-transparent gray dot where your finger or pen was touching the display. I'm gonna enable this just so you can see how that looks like. I'm gonna click on save, and now we can click on the red circle to begin recording. And you can see that it's now recording, so you can open up any kind of applications. I'm gonna try to look for the ones that won't work just because I want to showcase something, but it looks like Lenovo doesn't come with these applications pre-installed. Thank you. It's honestly a good thing. So you know what, I'm gonna record whatever. Doesn't really matter what I open, as each one of these applications should be recordable. Okay, now once you're done, you can interact with this right here, red circle, click on it once more, and you can see this saves it right here. After a moment, this pop-up will disappear. So when it disappears, you can find your recorded screen in the Photos application. Let me just quickly check if we don't also have something like Gallery right here, or another different version of Photos. So only one Photos and Google, oh, no Gallery. So we're gonna have to use the Photos. So in here, make sure you navigate to the collections, and in collections, you're gonna be looking for, let's just quickly check screenshots. Nope, that's just the actual screenshot. So it's going to be under either videos or albums. We're gonna check quickly in both. Now, typically, I think you would be actually seeing the screen recording in here, but because some people here record some kind of like option to change this, it might not appear where it shows up for you. So let me quickly check right here. We have, holy hell, there is a lot of albums here on the device. Oh, there we go, screen recorder. That was easy. So it looks like it's in its own full album called Screen Recorder, Though, like I said, by default, I think this album would be visible somewhere here. So it wouldn't be like in an album inside of an album, as this almost never happens. And that's and it should also probably show up on the screenshots. But for me, it's in a bit wonky place. But anyway, once you find it, you can tap on it and play it back. Now, what I wanted to show before, which I didn't really have the ability to because there's no application I can showcase this with, is the feature of Android, which prevents screen recorders from being able to see the screen when you open up certain applications. Those certain applications happen to be the ones that always require you to have a subscription, like Netflix and, for instance, Spotify and so on. Now, typically this feature on Android is designed for the privacy and security of the user. Now, when saying that, when an application is basically blocking your screen recorder without your knowledge, permission, or question, do you feel safe and secure inside? Because I don't. I genuinely find this the exact opposite of it. And for some reason, Netflix, as an example, because it comes pre-installed with most devices, just doesn't give two shits about your personal property. It considers your device to be theirs. And even if you don't own an account, Netflix account, even if you haven't agreed to terms of service or use for Netflix, nor have you actually installed this application yourself, Netflix will do whatever it wants on your device without ever even consulting you. Which I find to be just disgusting for a corporation to be able to do this. So, as an example, what you can do is not use Netflix and look for alternatives like CloudStream. You can thank me later. Anyway, that about sums it up. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.